BOKKUM. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making some banchan, which is a Korean side dish meant to be eaten in accompaniment to rice. Not that we ever do anything complicated here, but this one is just so simple. All you need is zucchini. We're making a spicy version today because Oppa likes it spicy, but gochugaru and the spicy pepper are completely optional. We're going to be using salted shrimp, SAE-WOO-JUT. This is sold in the refrigerated section of the Korean supermarket. This is going to be used as a seasoning, and we're using it instead of just salt, which means you can just use salt if you're all out of salted shrimp. I know, it sounds a little weird, zucchini and salted shrimp, but it goes really well together, surprisingly. Cut those suckers up into discs. The thicker you cut them, the longer they'll take to cook down, but any shape will work really. Add a little water. This is going to get reduced until the zucchinis get soft. It's on the blog, but you can keep this in the freezer. It never hardens, and it's easy to just scoop some as you need straight from the freezer. Cool, huh? Add the zucchini. And for some extra heat, let's add some freshly chopped peppers. There is a mild version you can try, and for that as well, you can just sub in salt instead of salted shrimp. And it's flavored by garlic, classic garlic and oil flavors. Sesame oil can be drizzled right before serving, but it's an option as well. I think these go by long hot peppers. We got this at the Asian market. Add gochugaru, which adds the magic sprinkling of red flakes with a bit of heat. And that's it, just give that a mix. Now it's just a waiting game. We're going to cook this until the zucchinis are quite soft, and we need enough water to cook them, so make sure to add enough liquid. These are Korean zucchinis, which have thinner skin and are more flavorful, dare I say sweeter, I don't know, but I do find them a bit more delicious. But let me tell you, just whatever zucchini that's local to you will be just fine. Food is about enjoyment, not about getting technical about it, right? I hope you agree? This will take a good 5 to 10 minutes on high heat, depending on how thick you sliced your slices of zucchini. Okay, this looked like good to halfway there. You want it quite limp and kind of translucent on the inside. You don't want it falling apart into mush. Slicing them into uniform sizes helps with this. Ideally, you want to have like at least 3 banchan options in a bowl of hot rice, maybe some soup or stew. If you want to impress someone, maybe fry up some fish, have a meat dish. Wish we had a personal chef so we could eat like that every meal. But honestly, this alone does us in a pinch, just to fancy up a bowl of rice. Taste testing helps so you can make any last minute adjustments, but it also helps keep hunger at bay, and we find it keeps us civil while food is cooking. That's it, let's go eat. So you know how restaurants give you super cute miniature side dishes? Well, you would, ideally, in a perfect world, you would put this in a big container, then portion out the amount you'll be eating for a particular meal, for every meal. Yeah, this big ass container will just come to the table with us now. Like I said, we could have more side dishes, soup, meat dishes, and the table would be nice and full like what you'd think is a typical Korean table setup. But we keep it real here. This was dinner for us on this day, and I'm not apologizing for that because it was damn delicious. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.
새우 좀 맛있는데?